The acids are over here. The alkali chemicals are over here. We have got our...
The following video is a part of the Achiever package in case you find the video helpful and want to watch more such videos like Purifier ALCAP explanation, main engine under piston, ECR crane operation, flow meter, engine room round, etc. Find the link of the Achiever package in the description box below. You can also check out our courses on merchantnavydecoded.com. All the content on the Merchant Navy Decoded website aims at helping you get selected in a good shipping company or college, helping you get faster promotions, but most importantly, guide you to earn respect on ship.
Okay guys, Jai Mata Di. So now let's go and take a engine room round. First of all, let's go to the steering gear room and let's see how is everything there. Come please. Okay guys, we are just about to enter the steering gear room, and in between the steering gear passage we can see this emergency escape area over here. Now this emergency escape area is going down below up to the bottom platform. Now guys, understand one thing. What if someday you are working on the bottommost platform in the engine room and there is a fire? You have to escape. You cannot come out. So from this emergency escape door, you open that door, you get in, and you straight away come over here, and from here outside the steering gear room you can leave. So this is a place basically to exit engine room if in case there is a fire in engine room. Illumination should always be, lighting over it should be clean, and everything should be working. Let's go into the steering gear room, guys. Come. Hi guys. So this is the steering gear room area over here. And this is a big iron door fixed over here. You know why? Because you have heard about piracy, pirates. So in case if there is a pirate attack on board ship, this is an iron door which we need to shut, and everybody is going to come and settle over here in steering gear room. Copy it guys? Come, let's take a round. On my last ship, the emergency fire pump was in the midship store. Sometimes it's in the forward, but on this ship, my emergency fire pump is in the steering gear room. Come, let me show you. This is the emergency fire pump fitted over here. So in this case, I have to go down below through these ladders. This is the emergency fire pump, guys. Can you see? This is the emergency fire pump. And if I want to shut the discharge valve, suction valve, I can do from here, right? If I have to start the emergency fire pump, I can start it from here, I can start it from emergency headquarters stations, and I can start it from bridge as well. Come. So, this is where our lubes are kept. So they are well segregated, well kept. Apart from that, we have got this MSDS for lube. That is Material Safety Data Sheet. Right guys? Come. Since we have got our fireman's outfit kept over here, so we have got our fireman walkie-talkie over here. These are for firefighting, guys. These are for firefighting. Copy it? Come. This is our engine storeroom where all the spares are kept in engine room. Okay? This is the place where ropes are kept. This is the place where electrical stores are kept, guys. Electrical stores. This is for lubrication of the rudder carrier bearing arrangement fitted over here. This is lube oil storage tank for stern tube. These are other section of this is grease kept over here. So this is material safety data sheet for grease kept over here, guys. These are a lot of lube oil drums kept over here. These lube oil drums need to be lashed with proper wiring. This is very, very important. These are 200 liters drums. Proper lashing is very, very important. Come guys. is my chemical locker room. Yes. All the chemicals are kept and they are well segregated. The acids are over here, the alkali chemicals are over here. We have got our PP over here, MSDS over here, how much chemicals you are taking over here, risk assessments, all the sheets kept over here, guys. Along with that, these shields which you have to wear so that in case if a chemical spills, it does not get into your eyes. So proper safety is very, very important. Come, let's go out. Guys, this is our hydraulic winch area. Carpet, neat and clean, very important. Anywhere you see a leak, you have to rectify it immediately there and then. This is our hyper-mist system area. Hyper-mist pump is fitted over here. In case if there is a fire on main engine, incinerator, generator 1, 2, 3, purifiers. In that case, this pump automatically starts and water is sprayed in that area. Arrangement I can discuss later. Come guys. So this is all about, okay, let us take you to the steering gear. Come. Okay guys, this is my steering gear system fitted over here. You can see two big steering gear pumps, two big steering gear motors, the hydraulic system, everything. My rudder carrier, the lubrication system over here, the rams. You can see the movement over here. If you want to make a call, we make from over here. Copy it guys. The telephone to call on bridge. So guys, this is the steering gear system. You always need to ensure that it is leak free. There are no leaks. It is in spick, spark and clean condition all the time. One of the most important equipments fitted on board ship for our safety. Copy it guys. Thank you very much.
If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. To watch more such technical videos, check out this playlist on the screen and find the link of the Achievers package in the description box below. Thank you.